this is where it happened. This bike landed like right here, right in the bushes. What is up, boys? How we doing? We got a small little group memorial ride today for a homie we lost over the weekend. He's a young one, man. He was 22 years old. He'd been riding for 3 months. 3 months he'd been riding. He had a Ninja 400. He was actually in the last video. That's my brother right there. My brother from another mother.
Same mother?
Yeah. Ride safe, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. We picked him up at bike night. You know, it was his first night riding with us, and we went downtown, you know, chopped it up for a couple hours and went our separate ways, and he got rear-ended at a high speed. You know, he was cruising 60-70 miles an hour, and we think the car that hit him was probably going at least 100. I mean, it's a devastating situation, man, because he was a wholesome kid. So we're going out to the where the accident happened, and we're gonna leave some flowers out there, and you know, go on a little ride for him. You know, he didn't really have a group to ride with, so he was so excited when he met us, man. So we're gonna meet up with the rest of the gang. I'll pick you boys up in a bit. So yeah, I ordered a GPR Friday, and it just got here today. So we're gonna swing by and grab that from the bike shop. And then we also got Steven with the CBR coming out. Steven actually witnessed my boy Christian's accident. We're gonna link up with him, pick up the GPR, and head up to the accident spot. All right, we're heading out. We picked up the homie Steven on the CBR. Yes, sir. That little 640. That thing is sick nasty. One day, boys, one day. boys down here at Super Bikes and Skis. Got this shit in 2 days. I ordered this Friday. Looky, looky, boys. It's so nice and shiny. You can believe this little piece right here costs $500? That's crazy. Oh, it feels so weird, man. It's gonna take some getting used to, that's for sure. God, it looks so sick though, man. I've wanted one for so long. I finally pulled the trigger. What the hell? It feels so fucking stable now too. I almost bought a Pista while I was in there too. I was like this close, man. I was fucking close. I really want the glossy carbon one though. And he's only got the matte carbon in stock, so. Look, it's me. No turns! Oh, this is gonna be fun. Fuck traffic, bro. If y'all just knew how to drive, there wouldn't be any traffic. Oh, we're gonna have to make something happen here. Oh, she stalled. Oh, look at you could see the fucking sailing post from the sunken sailboat out there. Carnage from Hurricane Ian still lingers everywhere you go down here. So this is where it happened. My boy Steven on the CBR 1K was in this lane. And Christian on the 400 was in this lane, and he got ran down by some dude doing a buck 20 in a Camry. Hit him, knocked him off the bike onto the road, and then he got hit again, man. I mean, it doesn't get much worse than that, bro. Bike landed like right here, right in the bushes. Fucking devastating, man. 22 years old. He was gonna be 23 in March. I'm gonna grab some pictures, boys. Put up the drone, grab some drone shots. Taking the moment for the homie. boys. I'll throw up some pictures of the homies memorial that we set up. It's fucking sad, man. We're gonna go hit downtown, grab some pizza, which is where we left from when he headed home. We're gonna go enjoy some pizza in honor of the homie and reminisce. It's fucking sad, man. So this is where we parked the other night, right before we left. I'm sorry if I'm not as talkative today, boys. I'm just... Alright, boys. I'm gonna go eat some pizza.
Sir.
Alright, boys, we're heading out. Yes, sir. Oh, it's on already. Well, that's probably going to be it for this one, boys. I wanted to take you guys along today, explain to you what happened over the weekend. I mean, it's fucking sad. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm sorry I didn't talk so much. I'm really stuck in my head. There was nothing he could have done, man. It was just a reckless ass driver that rear-ended him, going way too fucking fast. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. I appreciate the support. I love you all. Take care, ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.